How do I make it so I can see these points? I have nodes on, so if I turn on the OD snap to node, now I can draw, like if I have a line, I can snap to those. But how can I see them better? Where do I go to see the points better? Yep, utilities. Point style. And you go in here and change what size it is, right? So I hit it here and I say, okay, boom. Now when I zoom in, they get huge. And so if I'm here and I want that to go back down smaller, what do?
Want that one smaller?
No, I want the, remember nodes are a point. What we see is just helping us find where they are. So if I want these the little crosses to be smaller on the screen, what do?
Go back to utilities.
No.
Utilities?
No. Type REGEN and enter. So like that's there, regen. And the setting was, right, 5% of the screen size. So whenever the screen has to regenerate, whenever it has to redo the math for stuff, it'll resize it to 5%. And so sometimes when you're drawing like a circle, it'll start looking more like a polygon. This is a throwback to the days when computers were super slow. And to make the computer run faster, it just wouldn't recalculate the display of the circle every time. And so they'd kind of simplify it. And so it could become like a polygon, and it should start out like a 20-sided, then it'd go to 10, and eventually be like a hexagon. But if you type RE, it'd recalculate and be a perfect circle again. And so if you have something like, you know that a line's supposed to be hitting an arc, and you see the line for the arc up here, but then the point, like the O snap, is over here. That's really where the arc is. It's just, it has an updated display, so if you just type RE, it regenerates it, does the math again, and then draws that curve in the correct spot. So same thing with those points. Now they're super small, RE rescales them to 5% of the screen size. You can adjust that in here. It is per file, so this isn't something you can set just kind of a general. But if you set the setting on your template, it stays for any file you use that template on. And so you can use that. You can also just set it to be an absolute size. So I can set it to be 0.25 units. And now it's going to be the same no matter what I zoom. So I zoom in, it's the same size, because I know that, okay, that is a 1/4 inch. Okay? So that could be something else you do. And you can see, as I scroll, they constantly get bigger, smaller, and it's just, that's what it is. So you don't have to worry about regenerating. So either way is fine. Whichever one of these you want to use is fine. Depending on the situation, sometimes I'll use this one, but if I have a lot of vertical lines, then I'll use this one. Or I'll just go pick one of the others, or I'll just do a regular point. Or sometimes I just don't want any, I'll pick this one so I don't see anything at all. But they're still there. If I get close to them, where are they? If they were on a line, I would know where they are, right? Oh, see, I can even select them.
Why would you use it though?
If they had too many kind of, it's distracting. Yeah, so. Oh, any questions on that? What command have you used so far that makes points? No. Node is the O snap to go to a point, but what did you say? It's divide. So the divide command gives you points. That's like one of the 2 times I've used it. The other time is setting like locations on maps.
Type DIV?
What?
Type in DIV?
Yep.